Good morning, guys. I have another video for you guys today. This is going to be a short one. This is going to be about my other truck I have right here. It's a 93 GMC Sierra. I'm going to wash it right now. I haven't driven this truck for a while, maybe 3 months or so, since the tags expired back in May. It's a little dirty right now. I'm going to show you how it looks right now. Just like I said, it's a 93 GMC Sierra, shore bed. It's been parked here for a while, for 3 months or so. I haven't started it up or anything. It's time to, I just got my tags for this, for the truck now. I will drive it out. I'm going to give it a quick wash and I will drive it. I'm going to drive it today. That way everything keeps working. I don't want it to sit here forever, and then if you do that, you start getting all kinds of leaks. The hoses and gaskets and seals and everything start going bad. So what I'm doing is I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to move this truck out of the way. This is the other one I have. This is the Ford. I have a few videos on this Ford on my channel. I'm going to move this truck to the I want to park it outside, out on the street. Then I will take this one and give it a quick wash. Then after that, I will give you a little tour, I'm going to give you a walkthrough on the truck. Not in depth, that's going to come later. But at least you guys know I have this other truck here. Alright? As you guys can see, the tax expired on May of this year. I just got the new ones here. So I haven't driven this truck since May, before May probably, but definitely since May, the end of May. All right, I'm gonna go take it for a spin, and I can show you. I can do a little walk around so you guys can see the truck more in the open. All right, see you soon. All right, guys, here it goes. I just washed it, and I just took it for a spin. Sorry, it's a little windy out here. I'm just gonna show you how it looks, and if you guys want to know more about the truck, I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. It's a 1993 GMC Sierra half-ton, all original paint. I'm the second owner. I've done a few mods. If you are interested in knowing what mods I've done to the truck, just let me know. All right, guys, this is the other baby I have. This is my other truck. I have the Ford, and I have this one here. I've done a ton of mods to both. Okay, here it goes. I'm gonna give you a little walk around. Ask me any questions you want, comments, questions. I'll answer them. Thank you. Original paint. The bed is pristine condition. You see there's a few scuffs. The previous owner had a bed liner in here, so I took that out. Those are the scuffs. Nothing serious, just little scratches here and there. But yeah, it's in very good condition. I'm the second owner. Ask me anything you want to know about the truck. Okay guys, so there's the truck. I will do a full review of what I've done to it in the future. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you.